I'm Martin. I am from the Netherlands, but I'm currently based in Southampton in the UK.
My name is Elena and I'm from Cork.
I'm Neil Rodes, I'm from Barcelona.
I'm doing a PhD in marine geology or sedimentology, and I'm looking at active submarine canyons and submarine channels.
I'm based in Iceland, so I'm doing a master's in coastal and marine management, focusing on the Arctic.
Now I'm studying a master's program in polar and marine science. I like it so much. I think the organization is amazing.
I'm quite interested in seafloor mapping, and it was through some connections with my university that I found out about this opportunity. It was a great place to start my mapping experience.
So I've worked quite a bit already with multibeam data and seafloor mapping, but there still always was this kind of feeling of black box. I often just got the data and it was already processed, and then I looked at it and things that I didn't fully understand and I wanted to learn more. I wanted to be a bit more independent about it and being able to plan and understand surveys myself.
We sampled some materials along different points of Cork's port.
We used the day grab a couple of times, and then we studied all of the, the benthic habitat, and then we found out what, in real life situations, what you would do from there.
So far, actually been really good. It's really good that you have just a full-on week on just seafloor mapping and learning about seafloor mapping.
We've also learned how to do like bathymetry, how to plan a bathymetric survey, and also how to process the bathymetric data.
Day one on the ship, we've actually got a good taste of a real day in the life of a surveyor.
They know what they're doing, they know what they're explaining to you. For a program like this, to have people specialized on their own topic, and everyone talks about what they are good at.
It's very encouraging, and I'm learning a lot from them, and I enjoy learning from their experiences, so we're learning from the best in the business.
Because we're with such a small group, there's loads of time to ask questions and you can go in as much depth as you need with them.
Really good experience for having the opportunity to improve all these skills we were talking about. It's a really, really great experience. I'm happy to be here.
Oh, it's blown my expectations out of the water. I mean, what I'm learning is a lot more interesting than I even thought. I think it's nice to see everyone from different backgrounds and different intentions coming here, learning the same thing, but for different reasons. So it's really interesting.
Really informative, like super good, super useful, and also quite fun. You're with 8 other young scientists or students, so it's quite nice, and it's a nice atmosphere.